Gutane.
Very good. Marshin Gutane.
Marshin Gutane.
Yes. Excellent. And your name?
Marshin Bagnut is Misha Michelle.
Wow. I like the way you're good.
Yeah.
Showing off, eh?
Born here.
So you,
He's
that was
Mr. Greg.
actually really nice flow too. You said, good morning, my name is Michelle. So, so I suppose even that would flow nicely too. But since we already started like this, we'll keep going. So Michelle, I'd like you to say, is Misha Michelle.
Is Misha Michelle.
And
Is Mr. Greg.
great.
Marshin Bagnut.
And very good. This time say, Matin Vagut Greg.
Marshin Bagnut. Great.
And you could say Marshin Gut.
Marshin Gutane.
Perfect.
Michelle.
Michelle. Very good. And your name, sir?
Is Mission Blair.
Is Mission Scott.
Matin Vagut Scott.
Marshin Duchesne. Am I right?
Marshin Gutane.
Gutane, not Shane, not Shane. Yeah. Marshin Gutane. Gutane?
You said something really awful.
What did I say? What did I say? I just met Blair.
No,
Sorry, buddy.
I can't translate.
Really?
Children present.
All right.
Write it down.
Yeah. You insulted him pretty bad.
Did I really? Awesome.
You gonna take
100,000
that?
apologies, Blair.
You gonna take that, Blair?
Just tartness.
Apologies.
100,000 apologies.
Don't get any blood on your coat.
And we'll go with Shay and Brittany.
Okay. Is Mr. Shea?
Is Misha Brittany.
Martin Vogel?
Marshin Gutane.
Very good. And Amber and I are going to freestyle on that a little bit, just so you get to hear a little more Gaelic. Matthew Vago.
Gutane. Give it a how are you?
Hami, kom eens wat bij, give it a how heen.
I'm just going to have it. Not from me on Kami because Flake and I could class is from the famous up at a
And the goodie kit? No.
High school, you're the hardest for and you shouldn't have to get to the
Shake. Glad that.
Shay.
Well, Papalet or some.
Tappelay.
Kidney.
Shimbria. I don't think I'll tell you.
Get a flat tire ran.
That's it.
I just ran my knuckles.
So you can already hear that distinct rhythm. Everybody's in unison.
Going faster, it's like a slow clap.
And the next thing I'd like to say, could you imagine doing this for a couple hours at a time?
I'm already tired.
With the soak in my blanket.
Full urine.
You know,
Don't scratch your face.
great work.
But what this beating of the cloth did, friction and just pounding the cloth on the table, also the fact that it was soaked in the solution and heat would be generated, the fibers would gradually start to curl and tighten up and shrink. So once the blanket would be, start to get dry, they would re-soak it again and keep going. And I'm going to give you a break now. We'll begin. 1, 2, 3. Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro, Haro Hari Valyo. Now the turn the clean Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro, Haro Hari Valyo. Now the turn the clean Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro, Haro Hari Valyo. Pegasus born a Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro, Haro Hari Valyo. Pegasus born a Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro, Haro Hari Valyo, oh Hari Haro.